Hello and welcome to Connecting Software in Action. In this video, we will show you how to start a free trial for CB Exchange Server Sync, the solution for secure synchronization and data migration between Exchange servers and Office 365 mailboxes. Let's get started. To begin, visit our website at connecting-software.com. From the top bar, navigate to the Products section and select CB Exchange Server Sync. On the product page, click on Compare Pricing. CB Exchange Server Sync offers two tailored deployment options. Choose our streamlined SaaS for a maintenance-free experience, perfect for small to medium-sized businesses. Alternatively, our self-hosted option puts you in control, allowing CB Exchange Server Sync to run directly in your own on-premises or cloud environment. In this video, we will use the SaaS version. To start your trial, click the Try Free button. You'll be directed to our shop, where you'll see Free Trial CB Exchange Server Sync. Click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and proceed to checkout. If you're a returning customer, log in with your username and password. If you've already used the free trial and wish to request another one, please email us at office@connecting-software.com. New customers will need to fill in their information. Click Next Step. Next, choose the data residence location for your SaaS configuration, which is hosted in Microsoft Azure. You have two options: the United States of America or the European Union. Your data residency will be confined to the selected geographical area. Pick the location that aligns with your preferences and requirements. Click Place Order. Within a few minutes, you'll receive two emails, one with the order confirmation and the second with the activation token with a link to complete your registration in our SaaS. Click Complete your registration. The first step is to create an account. Enter a password and retype it to confirm. Accept the terms and conditions and click Create. After logging into your account, click Activate Token. A modal will pop up with the token you've just received by email. Click Activate. You should see a message indicating a successful activation. Now let's create a sync pair. Click Create Pair. First, you need to authenticate the first user. For this, we will use the Sign In with Microsoft authentication method, but you choose any suitable authentication method you prefer. Repeat the process for the second user. The minimum polling interval indicates how often the synchronization service should check for changes. In this example, we will use an interval of 60 seconds. The Start Day of Sync option lets you choose the date from which you want items to be synchronized. All items created or modified on or after that date will be synchronized. Items created or modified before that date will not be synchronized. If you want to synchronize everything, leave this blank. Sync type defines the direction data flows between the two accounts. First to second means the first account is the source. Changes made there will be copied to the second account. Second to first is the opposite. The second account becomes the source, and updates flow back to the first. Bidirectional keeps both accounts in sync. Changes made in either account will update the other. For this setup, we'll go with a bidirectional sync. Conflict setting lets you define what happens if a conflict appears during synchronization. Now we're in advanced settings. This is where we define how strict or flexible the synchronization should be. First, do not synchronize private items. If users mark certain items as private, like HR meetings or confidential notes, turn this on. Those items will stay local and won't sync across systems. If privacy filtering isn't needed, you can leave this off. Next is undo changes made on the replica. This makes the source system the authority. If someone edits an item on the target side, those changes will be overwritten by the original version. Use this when one side must remain the single source of truth. Then we have retention policy. Normally, deletions sync both ways. Turning this on prevents deletions on the replica side from affecting the original system. This is helpful when the target system acts more like an archive or safety layer rather than an equal partner. Next, let's define how emails behave during synchronization. Sync red flag controls whether the read or unread status of emails stays consistent between mailboxes. Turn this on if you want opening an email on one side to mark it as read on the other side as well. If it's marked unread in one mailbox, it will show as unread in the other. This keeps message state aligned across both accounts. Synchronize top-level folders determines whether we sync the main folders directly under the mailbox root, like Inbox, Sent, or Drafts. And Include subfolders expands that scope. If enabled, every subfolder inside those synced folders will also be included. Once your behavior rules look right, click Save, confirm with Yes, and the synchronization will now follow these settings. You'll then see a confirmation message like this, letting you know the sync pair was created successfully. Now let's customize the folder mapping of the sync pair we've just created. Go to Folder Mapping, then click Create Folder Pair. Choose the folders you want to be mapped. In this case, we will map calendar folders. Once you have selected the folders, click Save. Go back to Sync Pair List. From the main view, you can start or stop the sync pair. You can modify the sync pair at any time by clicking the Edit button. You can also check the Ban items, which are items that failed synchronization due to the restriction or different settings of the Exchange servers. When you tick the Configuration Pair Active from the left side and open Actions menu, you can start, stop, or delete selected sync pairs. In this video, we demonstrated how to configure the SaaS variant of CB Exchange Server Sync. For any questions, kindly contact us at office@connecting-software.com or through our support portal, portal.connecting-software.com. We are available to assist and eager to address your needs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to click the like button and explore other videos on our channel. Thank you for watching.